Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I thought that I will start learning embroidery. I don't know, somewhere from the thought it came like let's try embroidery, and it's earlier also I loved stitching, but one thing that is still remaining is I have to learn the stitching. Before that I jump into the stitching, I thought I will learn embroidery. Okay, so today is day one of me learning the embroidery. So these are the what and all I have learned in the day one is the basic stitches that I try to get those details from other YouTube channels and then from Google. So what are those basic stitches is one I learned is how to do the back stitch, and then how to do the running stitch, and then the stem stitch, chain, and the reverse chain stitch. Okay, so this is the first thing that I have did one on the rough fabric. Okay, I will show you in another fabric like what and all I have learned. Okay, so this is a series where I will be learning from my own on my own from other videos, and showcasing what and all I am learning and how I am learning. That's it. So if you are interested in learning embroidery, you can watch my video and join with me together, or if you have any reference, you can share with me too. So let's start the video. So these are the basic stitch which I did. Okay, the back stitch, then the running stitch, stem stitch, chain. In that there are two, chain and the reverse chain stitch. Okay, so let me open this. So there is a nut, and bolt pattern here. You have to just loosen that. Okay, so you can remove this. Okay, so this is the nut and this is the bolt. So I am removing this fabric which I was practicing earlier. So when you it, you get the two hoops. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a rough cloth in order to show you. Okay, so this is the first inner circle which is there. I have took one rough cloth. Okay, this is the rough cloth, just so that I can practice. I will place above this. Okay, now what I will do is I will get that one more hoop and I will place on this. Okay, so this is how you have to place above, and you have to tighten that. Okay, what I will do here, now I will insert this from here. Okay, what I have to hold it stiffly, and I have to insert this. Okay, once I insert this, let me this bolt from here. Okay, and then I will tighten. Then you can make it how much ever tight you want, so that let that fabric be tight, so that you get a stiff cloth pattern or the fabric for your stitching, basic stitches. Okay, this is one rough cloth which I had at home. I did not want to spend, so in order to learn the basic things, I took one of the rough cloth which was there at my home. Okay, so you can take a fabric. This is the cotton fabric which I had at home. So now I will tighten this. Okay, so I have tightened the fabric. Okay, so let's start. First thing is inserting the thread inside the needle. Okay, so that's the basic thing. I guess hope everyone will be knowing. So this is the scissor which I have got in that kit, and I have took the thread, one of the thread. So what we will do is, like in this thread, let us split or separate 3 threads, totally 3 each. Okay, 1 2 and 3. So 3 threads. Slowly you have to remove this. Okay, I have removed this. I have one, I have another. Okay, so these are the 2 threads which I have got. I have just inserted this thread into the needle, and now I will tell you how you can a basic knot which I have learned. Okay, so this is the end of the thread where you are folding this particular thread. What you can do is you can hold this, okay, thread in your left hand, with your thumb and the index finger. Hold this needle here. Pressing this, you can make 1 and 2 turns. Okay, then what you can do is hold here and just pull this needle from here. What it will happen is like it will make a thread here. Okay, so this is one of small thread. So let me cut the corner. Okay, so this is the I have prepared the needle and the thread for the embroidery stitch. So this is the wooden hoop with the fabric. So let's make the first back stitch. Okay, so I have written here back stitch and I have just drawn a straight line just to see that whatever I am inserting or the threading embroidery which I am doing is enough. So I will take the needle and then I will insert that needle from the back and I will pull that. Okay, how much ever length you want you can keep and try to insert the needle from the front and pull it from the back. So once it is done, you can leave a gap and then from the back side insert the needle and then pull it from the front. So once you pull that, now again in the same hole insert the needle and pull it from the back. Okay, so like this you'll pull from the back. Now like if you have almost completed the stitch, right, this. Okay, so this is the back stitch. So how to make a knot back side? Just turn that hook from inside. Then I will take it here and I will pull this. So it will be one knot. Okay, so this is the back stitch. So this video is already lengthy now. So what we will do is the next stitch, that is the running stitch, stem stitch and then the chain stitch, we will see in the next video. So what I will do, I will add the day 1 part and the rest of the stitches in the next upcoming video. So if you are new to the channel and love what I am doing and also wanted to learn this, you will able to join my journey by subscribing to my channel and waiting for the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. If you are new, comment, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.